Hello everybody, this is Oscar. I'm here with another video today. I'm going to be showing you how to fix the SM7dB. This is Shure's new condenser mic that is active. There is a version, the SM7B, which does not seem to have any problems. This microphone, however, out of the factory comes defective. You can see the cable there, the red cable that I attached to it. This microphone came defective with no sound. You get a no sound, but if you tap on it, you're gonna hear a very light sound. So that's a very common mistake. That cable, where that red cable soldered, there is a black cable, that when they put it together, it seems to be that when they screw the back part, that black cable's coming out. So I had to solder, an extension cable, which is the red cable there. I soldered that together, and that seems to be resolving this problem. So I bought this microphone on Reverb. It is not one of their most affordable microphones. This microphone is actually $549. So it's not a cheap mic. It should not have this defect to start with. But I had it returned twice, and this would have been the third time I will return this microphone. So I decided to not return it, because I thought I could do something about it. I was suspecting it to be a hardware issue. So after going on a bunch of forums, I actually found out that this is a very common thing on this microphone, and the solution to this, is just that little wire, which I bridge. I'm using that microphone right now to record this video. It is kind of sad, it's a Shure microphone. It's a nice microphone. It's not a $100 microphone. It's $549, and it comes with this defect out of the factory. I hope this video helps somebody out there. If you're pretty handy, if you're really good with tools, and you have a soldering pen or gun, you should be able to get this done in like 10 minutes, like I did. I already had it done, but there was somebody asking me about it, so I decided to just pause this video just to kind of show the repair that I did and how this repair gets done. If anybody has any questions, you feel free to post them below, right there, comment on this video. If I can answer the questions, I'll be more than happy to help anybody out there. This is a nice microphone. Like I said, I'm using this microphone right now to record this video, and as you can see, it sounds very natural. So I'll be posting this video, on my YouTube channel as well as on my TikTok. If you guys would like any other videos, anything that you have suggestions that I should probably be trying to fix, please let me know. I'm here to help. I love helping people out there. I love helping churches. I help anybody that I can, and I hope this video helps somebody out there. You guys have a blessed day. God bless you all, and follow me for more.